So now, few takeaways regarding this session we had together. For now, the WB0 portfolio is fully available in terms of hardware, sample. It's fully available as well for volume productions and as well for evaluations. We have all the board we have shown you today on these presentations. Everything is available to start, and the whole ecosystem is ready. Of course, we'll continue to expand the ecosystem as we explained. For example, the ESL. Electronic shelf-life demos and ecosystem will come soon. We'll also expand our support in Zephyr, so you will see many other additions to the ecosystems that will come soon. So what we have seen today. I hope you had a good feeling regarding this WB0 product, and one of the focus on this product is the cost and the power efficiency. So this is really designed for entry-level application where you need to have a simple BLE connectivities. On top of this very efficient SoC, we put everything in place to make it simple and easy to evaluate. And this is what we try to demonstrate today with you guys with different hands-on, starting with something very simple like beacon applications, up to something a bit more complex like a peer-to-peer server, up to a different ecosystem with Zephyr. So we had this journey with you guys to show you different hardware board, but moving to different ecosystem with this WB0 product. We also try to demonstrate the topology. So there are different ways to use the WB0. It could be as a full SoC for simple applications, handling application on wireless communications, or as a coprocessor with the WB05N. So we had different demos as well to show you this different topology. But I'm sure that you will have many different ideas and requirements to extend this first example of topology we demonstrate to you today. Another point is regarding the ecosystem. So the WB0 is really fully integrated inside the STM32WB0 ecosystem. So we try to make it simple and easy to use and to start for any evaluations. So we have used some CubeMX applications, the Cube Monitor RF tools as well, and some smartphone apps that we have designed for helping you to evaluate BLE connectivity with ST product. So all in all, it's quite an extensive ecosystem that is built to help you and to speed up your project development. And finally, the ease of use. So the ecosystem is designed for being easy to use. So I hope we convince you that the WB0 is ready to use product for any BLE connectivity project. So let's start new project with us. We'll be happy to support you guys. So to finish, some link we put here. So how to discover STM32 wireless product. So we put just two very generic link and one link on the WB0 series to our website. After, there are some additional development links. So one pinging the developer zone for STM32, that is quite useful. And we also have a GitHub repository for what we call STM32 hotspot. And here you will find many different code examples for different kind of applications. There is as well many for wireless. After, this is a programming guide. So this is a programming guide for BLE applications. You have the link here and some link for the Nucleo board. So each our Nucleo board have a link available where you can find all the information, the BOM, and so on. So we mentioned as well the reference design. So you will have the many information, the BOM for any reference design are available. We share all the informations. Of course, if you have questions, don't hesitate. So thanks for being here today.